If you want to set up face unlock on your Samsung S25 and S25 Ultra, it's very easy. First, simply go in your settings, then scroll to your lock screen and always on display. Click on screen lock and biometrics, face recognition, and we also need to set up a secondary way how to unlock our phone. For example, let's set a PIN code, confirm it. Also choose which stuff you want to show before it's unlocked. Okay, and also let's do the face unlock. And next we are going to simply need to show our face basically to our phone and also tilt our head basically in various different ways to properly register it. So then simply position your face in the frame and simply look around in different ways. So you see just as it says. Okay, and you see pretty much all done. Also we can change these settings if needed, but if everything is okay. So to unlock your phone with a face, so you see if you are not locking it, it's actually scanning. So you see the camera is scanning for your face. But for example, if I look at it, I see the phone automatically unlocked my phone. But also obviously we can unlock it also without our face by simply entering the PIN code. Again, so you see if you look at it, it unlocks the phone for you instantly. Good luck!